Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to take a burst shot on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Now, to take a burst shot using your iPhone, just open the camera app. Now to take a burst shot, just swipe the shutter button to the left side. And by doing that, you will capture a burst shot as you can see. Just like that. As you can see, we have successfully captured a burst shot. Now there is also another method to take a burst shot. For that, just go to your home screen and open settings. Then tap on camera. And from here you will find the option of use volume up for burst. Now just make sure you enable this option. And after you enable this option, you will be able to take a burst shot by pressing on the volume up button. Just like that. And this is how you can take a burst shot on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.